Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will not get step-by-step assembly here. Instead, focus on safety and legality. First, verify laws and permit requirements where you live, because compliance matters. Once done, always treat the firearm as loaded until you personally verify otherwise. Remove the magazine, lock the action open, and visually inspect the chamber. Make sure to wear eye and ear protection and set up a clean, stable bench with good lighting. These measures reduce risk and keep you within legal boundaries. If your goal is a reliable, safe firearm, hire a certified gunsmith rather than improvising. A professional has calibrated tools, torque specs, and the experience to detect fit issues or headspace problems. Make sure to request documentation or a receipt and ask about warranty or service guarantees. If you prefer learning, enroll in an accredited armorer or safety course. Such training emphasizes safe handling, legal responsibilities, and basic diagnostics. Without providing detail, when something does not function as expected, cease further work and contact a qualified gunsmith or the manufacturer for service. Make sure you retain purchase records, serial numbers, and any transfer or permit documentation. These are essential if legal or safety questions arise. For learning, rely on accredited classes and manufacturer support channels. These provide safe, non-actionable troubleshooting guidance and ensure you remain compliant with law. One key tip: never test or fire without a professional inspection if you suspect a fit or function issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.